Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my morning cardio walk. Check out the view behind me. So in this video, obviously you guys know one of the things that I like doing is investing, and I'm a bit of a pro Bitcoin. Some of you may know that, especially the ones who watch my previous videos and OG subscribers. I mean, in fact, a couple of months ago I've been telling you guys, whoever watched that video, that in my opinion it was a good time to buy Bitcoin. Now I know a lot of people are talking about Bitcoin right now because prices have gone up quite a bit. By the way, sorry if I sound a bit out of breath. That's because I'm just walking up a hill and it's actually pouring as well in the same time. But yeah, I just wanted to do my cardio because I haven't been doing it for a while since gyms are closing. Anyways, let's talk about Bitcoin, especially now because of the price volatility, and obviously the price has gone up. But as I'm doing this video, Bitcoin is about $17,800. We're just passing a motorway, so I'm gonna pause the video and catch you guys once we pass because it's a bit noisy. So guys, as I was saying, that the last couple of days, let's say the last week, Bitcoin's price has been going a bit crazy, and the reason why I'm doing this video is because especially the last few days I've had quite a few people contact me and ask me, I hate Bitcoin, is going crazy, is it time to buy, should I invest, how much should I invest, and all of those questions. Now before I share my thoughts, first of all, this is just my opinion, right? So don't do what I say, do your own research. But another thing is, if you don't know, before you think about investing, first do your research. Don't ask me, for example, should I buy Bitcoin now, or those kind of questions, because typically those type of people who don't really know are the ones that end up losing money. And that's a mistake that a lot of people have. The people who FOMO in, fear of missing out, are the ones that a lot of times end up losing money because they just buy when they hear it all over the place. Although it's not yet the real FOMO going on. When that happens, Bitcoin will be a lot higher than the current price, but that's just my opinion. So, question that I've been asked quite a few times, should I buy Bitcoin now? What's my opinion? Now, here are a few things that, this is my thoughts, and again, don't do based what I say. This is just my personal opinion through my experience. Right now we're sitting at just under $18,000. We actually reached 18,500 yesterday, and we're down about $1,000 since yesterday. Easily have a change of $1,000, $2,000 in a single day, up or down. So Bitcoin is known to be very, very volatile. Now, what's my thoughts? What's going to be next? What's going to happen next? I believe, and I'm expecting, a correction very soon. Now, correction means a price drop. So obviously right now the price is going parabolic. It's just going up and up and up. Now, nothing can go straight up forever. So we might still continue to climb a little bit to its, I would say, to its previous all-time highs. And we might not. Obviously I can't tell you what's going to happen, but this is just my opinions through my analysis, and I'm expecting a correction, a price drop, a pullback sooner or later, I would say. If you're thinking to make quick money, then I personally would not recommend you buy right now Bitcoin. But again, if you're in for the longer run, then I don't think it's a bad time to buy. However, let's say you do decide you want to buy some Bitcoin for the longer run. First of all, there's a big myth here. People think you have to buy a whole Bitcoin. You don't. You can buy any amount of Bitcoin you want. You can put $100 into Bitcoin. You can put $1,000. You can buy $1 million. There's no amount you have to buy. Because a lot of people think, I don't have the full money to buy right now one whole Bitcoin, but you don't. You can put any amount of money you want into Bitcoin. So as I was saying, that if you do want to go for the longer run, first of all, I would not say go all in right now, because the most simple way to make money from Bitcoin, a bit noisy here, and other crypto in general, but let's talk about Bitcoin because that's the most obviously known cryptocurrency and it is the main thing. But you want a dollar cost average or pound cost average, whatever it's called in your currency. So let's say I have $5,000 or pounds to invest in Bitcoin. So I would buy £1,000 today, £1,000 in 2 weeks time, £1,000 in 3 weeks time. So basically what happens is that you don't end up buying at the top. So if you put in £1,000 today and the price drops, you won't be down. You know why? Because you'll buy more. However, if the price goes up, you won't be disappointed because you bought today or last week. So the point what I'm trying to say is you want to spread installments over time. That's the most effective way and the safest way to earn money. Now, this is what in general I would recommend if you, well, I would suggest, or this is my personal opinion, again, don't do what I say, do your own research, but going all in one time is a bigger risk. I mean, I would only go all in when I'm very confident, and right now I definitely wouldn't do that. So guys, the question, should I buy Bitcoin right now? As I said, it really depends. If you're in for the longer run, yes. This is my opinion, yes, because I believe it'll be a lot more than the current prices. However, I expect in the short term a correction, a pullback, but that pullback is only the next leg to go higher. So the pullback is not that the market is going to crash and game over. It's just because nothing can go straight up like a rocket. It goes up, a little correction, which is very healthy for every market in general, any stock market, any market in general. You need corrections, healthy corrections, and I'm expecting that sooner or later. Obviously nearer the time when you read the charts, you can more or less expect movements, but from advanced it's impossible to say, you know. And then that will be the next leg up, and I believe 2021 we will see much higher highs. And yeah, this is just my opinion, guys. So as I said, be careful, don't jump all in, and if you don't know what you're doing, be very careful, because a lot of people, you know, someone called me yesterday, a friend of mine, and said he has 50 grand and he wants to put in Bitcoin. Should he do it? You know, and these are typically the type of people that end up losing money. So this is just my thoughts and my opinions, and guys, hopefully you smash it, make some money. Also, a lot of you guys ask, where do you buy Bitcoin? Or a lot of people know about Coinbase, but I recommend another exchange, Swissberg. I don't know if you guys heard about it, but I use it. Actually, I do use Coinbase as well, a lot, but I use this one a lot more now because they are much cheaper than Coinbase. Coinbase is very expensive on fees and give you quite expensive rates. So I will leave the link to Swissberg in the description. And not only that, sign up to that exchange, sorry I'm about to breath, and you'll get some free Bitcoin. So check it out, link in the description. And guys, you'll save a lot of money by using that exchange. I know I have, and it's obviously a safe, proper exchange. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye now.